Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to upload an SVG file to Cricut Design Space. Now, if you've ever downloaded a cute SVG from Etsy or grabbed a free design online and thought, okay, now what? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Uploading SVGs is actually super easy once you know where to click. And I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step. Alright, let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open your browser and type free SVG file download in the search bar. For this tutorial, we're going to head over to Freepik website. Now, once you've entered the website, just look around for the image you want to download. Once you find something you like, go ahead and click on it. So once you click on the image, you'll see a download drop-down menu in the top right corner. Click on that and then select SVG from the options. A Save As window will pop up, and that is where you'll choose the folder where you want to save the downloaded file. Okay, once the download is complete, go ahead and locate the folder where you saved your file. Now, right-click on the downloaded file and select Properties. This just helps you confirm that the file is actually in SVG format before we move forward. Perfect. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and open the Cricut Design Space app and click on Canvas to start a new project. Alright, now look over to the left panel, you'll see an upload icon. Just click on that. On the next screen, click on the Upload Image button and then select Browse. This is where you'll find and upload the SVG file that you just downloaded. Once you've selected your file, hit the Continue button. Now, you can give your image a name if you want to. This just makes it easier to find later. Once you're done with that, click on the Upload button to proceed. And there you go. Once you've uploaded the SVG file, it'll appear right on your canvas. And now you can start working on your project however you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.